Hey everyone! In 2024, the Realme GT7 Pro has remarkable specs that make it an alluring choice for those looking for premium features at a lower cost. With the GT7 Pro's construction, functionality, and design, Realme has gone all out, making it a formidable competitor to the OnePlus 18 and other devices. Along with a SIM ejector tool and a USB Type-C charging cable, the Realme GT7 Pro comes in a substantial box. The phone initially seems to be OnePlus-inspired due to its huge, protruding camera module, which is a 2024 trend. However, the phone feels sturdy, but a little front-heavy due to its heavy 222 grams weight, which is mostly caused by the huge battery and metal frame. Realme's distinctive vegan leather design is featured on the back panel in 3 different color options: black, white, and red. Although the leather finish gives it a high-end appearance, it may eventually exhibit wear. Thus, a cover is advised for longevity. The phone has all the necessary connections and buttons, including a USB Type-C port, a dual SIM tray, a noise-canceling microphone, an infrared blaster, and 2 speakers. The rear curves softly to match the front's curved display. With a refresh rate of 144 Hz, compatibility for HDR10+, and a maximum brightness of 2000 nit, the 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display on the Realme GT7 Pro is an impressive feature. Thin bezels and a curved display allow for a 94% screen-to-body ratio, which enhances gaming and video playback while offering a really immersive viewing experience. In terms of display quality for this price range, Realme has undoubtedly set the standard. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU from Qualcomm powers the GT7 Pro, together with 256 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage and up to 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM. It can readily handle demanding tasks like gaming at high FPS. Additionally, the phone has some AI-assisted gesture capabilities that let users utilize basic movements to manage navigation or unlock the device with a palm scan. Although these traits are intriguing, there is still opportunity for improvement, as their accuracy is only between 50 and 60%. A 50 megapixels primary sensor, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and an 8 megapixels periscope lens with a 3x optical zoom are all part of the camera configuration. For the periscope lens, Realme has unveiled Sony's IMX890 sensor, which features a 12x hybrid zoom. The main and ultra-wide lenses exhibit occasional inconsistencies in color balance, which are especially apparent in HDR shots, even though the images display rich color and superb clarity. The front-facing 32 megapixels camera captures 4K video at 30 frames per second, while the rear camera shoots in 8K at 24 frames per second for videographers. Because of this, the GT7 Pro can record videos of excellent quality. For greater color accuracy and consistency across various camera modes, Realme might need to adjust the software. A 5,400 mAh battery that supports 50-watt wireless charging and 100-watt wired charging extends the GT7 Pro's battery life. One feature that is uncommon in this price range is reverse wireless charging, which Realme offers. Power users who require rapid top-ups will find fast charging capacity helpful, as it can fully recharge the phone in less than an hour. The Realme GT7 Pro is a strong flagship competitor. With its premium display quality, long battery life, and cutting-edge performance, it's a terrific option for people looking for flagship-level features without having to pay as much as some of its rivals. However, some customers could be put off by phone's heavy weight, sporadic camera color fluctuations, and the innovative gesture controls that still require improvement. Nevertheless, the GT7 Pro offers outstanding value and a distinct advantage in a crowded market thanks to Realme's creative strategy and well-considered features. Thanks for watching. I hope you are subscribed to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.